Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your travel plans with Expedia, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your travel plans with Expedia, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Expedia website. Log into your account using your email and password. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the prompts to reset it. Once logged in, look for the My Trips section on the home page. Click on My Trips to access your existing travel bookings. Here, you'll see a list of your upcoming and past trips. Locate the specific trip you want to recover. Click on the trip to view more details. If you need to cancel or modify your booking, look for the options available on this page. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any changes. If you are unable to find your trip, try searching your email for booking confirmation. Open the confirmation email and look for information related to your trip. You can also check your spam or junk folder for missed emails. If the booking is not visible in your account or email, contact Expedia customer service for assistance. Provide them with your booking number and relevant details for faster support. They can help you recover your travel plans more effectively. Once your plans are recovered, be sure to reach out if you need further modifications. This ensures that your trip goes smoothly. Remember to double-check all details after recovery to avoid confusion later. Enjoy your future travels with peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.